Here we have a 2010 Chevy Express Explorer high top conversion van, 120,000 original miles, one owner, clean, Carfax, Clean Autocheck, clean Florida title. It's a Florida vehicle its whole life. It's rust free all the way. Very nice clean van inside and out. A few little bug chips on the front bumper. Overall the paint shines very nicely. Very nice clean van inside and out. Leather interior, TV, DVD, backup camera. 2010 Chevy Express. High top Explorer conversion van. Leather, loaded. Interior is beautiful. It's non-smoking all the way. No rust. Rear folding, power bed. Very nice clean van. Well kept. Nice Goodyear tires. Plenty of tread left on there. Way better than 50% tread. Probably more like 70. 5.3 liter V8. Very nice clean van. I'll give you the tour inside and out. Shows very nicely. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help. We do buy and sell a lot of conversion vans. We do accept trade-ins. Been in business 43 years. We're happy to help. If you have any specific questions or concerns, call or text us at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. More than happy to help at any time. This thing's pretty straight down the sides. No accidents, no smoking. It's running right now. It runs perfect. No issues whatsoever. Drives great up and down the highway. A few little bug chips on the front there, as you can see. Nothing major. Van shows very nicely. Up and down the sides, as you can see, it's very straight. Almost no blemishes in the paint on the sides. Very nice. Back doors are in excellent shape. Top looks good. Goodyear Assurance tires have plenty of tread left. The Explorer conversion package, which is very nice. Power seats, leather. Got the embroidered headrest. TV, DVD system. The only flaw in the interior is that the carpet has a little bit of sun fading from age. Other than that, the interior is excellent. Pretty near perfect condition. It's a little bit of fading on the wood grain, but it's in nice shape. It's not cracked or broken. The bezel here is in perfect shape. Excellent condition. You can see here, 120,000 original miles. That is a tire pressure light there that you see on, the yellow light. Probably got a little air down in one tire. We will have that dealt with. As you can see, wood grain, beautiful. Cup holders. You got your center console cooler. You got your indirect lighting panel here. Excellent, excellent van. Inside and out, if you're looking for a nice, clean conversion van. Very nice, clean van. Super clean, needs nothing at all. Seats are in excellent shape, doesn't smell inside, smells nice. You got your cooler here, remotes for the TV, DVD. The seats are nice, very heavy duty leather. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. We are happy to help at any time. As you can see, there's a little bit of sun fading in the carpet. That's the only flaw in the interior of this truck. It's in excellent condition. Got storage compartments everywhere. You got your DVD player. I'm sorry, your DVD player's down here. TV is up here. Everything is working, functioning. You got headsets for the DVD system. It is wireless if you want it to be. Got your blinds. All the blinds are in good shape throughout. Full privacy if you want. This could be an easy RV if you want to go off grid. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. Happy to help at any time. This is a 5.3 liter V8 Chevrolet. Excellent condition inside and out. You got some Books and manuals here, some extra striping just in case if you ever had an issue. This is the power bed function. As you can see, it's fully operational. Pretty good setup. If you want to go camping, you got plenty of room. Take a rest. Got the backup camera right there mounted in the third light. It's a really nice, clean, high-top conversion van, 2010 Chevrolet Express. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. You may reach us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. We're happy to help at any time. Thank you.